Did you know there are over 110 colleges and universities in North Carolina? You have so many great options, and the college search tool on CFNC.org can help you find schools that fit your needs. To get started, select Plan Your Future. Scroll down and select Plan for College, and then College Search from the left navigation. First, let's take a look at how you can search. You can search by college name using the search bar at the top of the page, or use the filters on the left to refine your search. Filters are organized by category, and you can expand the search filters by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to each category title. For instance, you can narrow your search by college type by selecting either 2-year, 4-year, or graduate schools. You can also filter by academic programs and majors offered. This filter allows you to search by major name or by major clusters that interest you. Another category is admissions. You can use entrance difficulty to filter by the percentage of applicants accepted, or you might want to search based on the test score range of recently admitted students. The search defaults to only North Carolina colleges, but you can expand your search by checking the option to search nationally. After you've made your selections, click Apply Filters to view your results. Now let's take a look at working with your search results. Notice that you can turn off any filters just by clicking an X next to the filter name. You can select View All on Map to see your results on the North Carolina map. Note that the pins are color-coded by institution type. You can also toggle between Card View and Table View. Card View will show an expanded view with more information, while Table View provides a more condensed view. In either view, you can choose to show the school on a map, save the school to your dashboard, or apply online. Click on the school name to view their profile. On the first page of the profile, you'll find basic facts and links, and in the left navigation, you'll see more detailed information on admissions, academics, financial aid, student life, and more. For instance, under Academics, you can see all of the programs and majors offered at that college. Lastly, select Save if you'd like to save your selected search filters to your dashboard and return to this search later. From searching for colleges to finding the right degree for you, CFNC.org is here for you each step of the way. Please contact us if we can be of help.